Welcome to the project demonstration of dual application windmill for on-grid and off-grid applications. So here we are going to utilize the two sections as on-grid from this power supply to 30 volts, and whenever this is not available, then we are going to making use of off-grid. So that is from the windmill. So the generated voltage from the wind turbine, so we are making use of PMDC generator, which is of 12 volt 20 watts, and the generated voltage will be given to this battery through this charging circuitry. At the same time, from the on-grid also, so we are going to provide 230 volts AC voltage to this plug, and from this transformer we are going to convert that 230 volts AC to the 12 volts of AC, and 12 volts of AC signal will be converted to the pure DC voltage. So the pure DC voltage nothing but pulsating DC with the help of 4 diodes. The diodes are connected in a manner of bridge rectifier. After this rectifier, we will get the pulsating 12 volts DC. So in order to remove those pulses, we are going to use of 1000 microfarad capacitor, and from there we will get the pure DC voltage, and that will be given to this battery through these diodes. So the diode purpose is, if the battery get fully charged, then it's going to be the high potential and the transformer is going to be the low potential. In order to protect the transformer, we are going to making use of diodes is connected in forward bias from transformer, means from this capacitor to the battery. Whenever it is fully charged, so diodes are in reverse bias, so that the reverse voltage will not be given to this transformer through the capacitor. In order to protect the charging circuitry, we are going to making use of these diodes. And next, there will be one LED indication which will indicate the charging status, and with a 1 kilo ohm resistor, that is a current limiting resistor in this charging circuitry. Coming to this is going to be the off grid. So whenever this supply is not available, we are going to charge this battery parallelly from this wind turbine, that is a DC generator PMDC, and here we are going to use of DB107, which is inbuilt 4 diodes, which is a default rectifier circuit. So from this DB107 we will get the same pulsating DC, and the capacitor charging voltage will be given to this. Under this PCB we have mounted 2 diodes under this PCB. So these are act as same like in this charging circuitry, and also the LED and the 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is going to be the on off switch for the off grid, and this is going to be the on off switch for the on grid. And once the battery getting fully charged, so coming to this battery, so we are going to use of 6 batteries or of 2 battery packs. Each battery pack consists of 4 volt 1 amp battery connected in series. So 3 into 4 12 volts 1 amp, and these two are connected in parallel. So we will get 12 volt 2 amps, that is 24 watts of battery power, and that was given to the input of our inverter circuit. So here inverter circuit are designed with IC4047, which is a dual timer IC. So from this IC we are going to generate the pulses of 50 hertz. So there we can see one potentiometer. The potentiometer is already set for 50 hertz because we are going to making use of here a RC oscillator. So the R is coming from this potentiometer. There will be one capacitor. So based on R plus L, we are going to generate the oscillations, and that oscillations are generated by this 4047 is a 555 timer. So from this we are going to generate the pulses are given to the main input of gates of these 2 MOSFETs. So those 2 MOSFETs are IRF Z44N. So from there we are going to generate the 12 volts pulses, because here the IC4047 can't provide the maximum of current. So in order to step up that, and in order to drive this AC induction motor, which is single phase, so in order to maintain the high current, so we are going to making use of IRF Z44N. So from here we are going to generate the 12 volts signals. So that is 12 volts pulses that was given as main input to this step up transformer. So the step up transformer ratings are 12 volts to 230 volts, and it's going to be the 5 amps. So we are going to get that, and we can drive this induction motor directly, and it can handle by this transformer on this loads. And also there will be one LED indication on this PCB while working. So let us see the battery charging with on grid. So just connect this cable to your 230 volt sockets. So then we can see one LED indication on this charging circuitry. So here on grid nothing but from 230 volts to 12 volts and rectifier and filter through diodes to the battery. This is the flow from on grid status. So when we are disable that, when is the on grid is not available, so we are getting we can get the power supply from this off grid like wind turbine. So when it is rotate with high speed, you can observe the one LED indication on the charging circuitry, right? So we can see that.